Have you ever held a coin in your hand and wondered about its story? Numismatics is the study of coins and other currency. It's a fascinating hobby that can teach us about history, art, and culture. Every coin has a tale to tell, from its design to the events it has witnessed. Coins are like tiny time capsules, preserving glimpses of the past. Imagine holding a Roman denarius, its surface worn smooth by centuries of circulation. Or a Spanish doubloon recovered from a shipwreck and whispering tales of pirates and treasure. Numismatics allows us to connect with these stories and to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship of coins. From ancient civilizations to modern nations, coins reflect the values, beliefs, and aspirations of the people who use them. So let's embark on a numismatic journey to discover the fascinating world of Australian coins. Before 1966, Australia used pounds, shillings, and pence, just like Great Britain. But on February 14, 1966, Australia introduced its own decimal currency, the Australian dollar and cent. This marked a significant shift, reflecting Australia's growing independence and identity. The first Australian coins featured designs by Stuart Devlin, a renowned British sculptor and goldsmith. His iconic designs, including the kangaroo and emu on the cent coins, became instantly recognizable symbols of Australia. The transition to decimal currency wasn't without its challenges. People had to learn a new system and get used to new coins. But the change was ultimately successful, paving the way for the modern Australian coinage system we know today. Over the years, Australian coins have evolved, with new designs, denominations, and materials. But they continue to reflect the country's unique history, culture, and natural environment. The Australian $1 coin is a familiar sight. First introduced in 1984, it replaced the $1 note. The coin's distinctive dodecagonal or 12-sided shape and golden color quickly made it recognizable. The original design featured Queen Elizabeth II on one side and 5 kangaroos on the other. This design remained until 1988, when a new portrait of the Queen by Raphael Makhlouf was introduced. Over the years, the $1 coin has celebrated numerous events and anniversaries through commemorative designs. These special editions often feature iconic Australian themes like sports, wildlife, and historical figures. Collecting these commemorative coins has become a popular hobby, allowing people to hold a piece of Australian history in their hands. Each coin tells a story, commemorating significant moments and achievements. The Australian $2 coin, first minted in 1988, holds a special place in the hearts of many Australians. Its large size and distinctive design make it easily recognizable. The coin's most prominent feature is the image of an Aboriginal elder, designed by Horst Hahn. This powerful image represents Australia's Indigenous heritage and culture. On the other side, the $2 coin typically features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. However, commemorative editions often showcase other designs, celebrating important events or anniversaries. One notable example is the 2000 Olympics $2 coin series. This series featured different sporting events, capturing the excitement and spirit of the Sydney Olympics. Have you ever wondered how coins are made? The process is quite fascinating. Australian coins are produced at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra. The minting process begins with designing the coin. Artists and sculptors carefully craft the images and inscriptions that will appear on the coin's surface. Once the design is finalized, it's time to create the dies. These are metal blocks engraved with the coin's design, used to strike the coins. Next, large sheets of metal are rolled to the correct thickness for the specific coin. A blanking press then punches out round discs, called blanks, from these sheets. The blanks are then fed into a coining press. The dies, mounted on the press, strike the blanks with immense force, transferring the design and creating the coin's raised rim. Finally, the coins are inspected, counted, and packaged for distribution to banks and financial institutions. Commemorative coins are a special category of coins minted to celebrate significant events, anniversaries, or individuals. Australia has a rich history of issuing commemorative coins, capturing the country's diverse culture and heritage. These coins often feature unique designs and themes, making them highly sought after by collectors. Some popular themes include Australian wildlife, sporting achievements, historical events, and Indigenous culture. For example, the Royal Australian Mint released a series of coins to commemorate the centenary of the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, or ANZAC, landings at Gallipoli in 2015. These coins honored the bravery and sacrifice of those who served in World War I. Collecting commemorative coins is a way to connect with Australia's past and to own a tangible piece of history. Each coin tells a story, preserving the memory of important events and individuals. One of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting is the thrill of the hunt. Searching for rare and valuable coins can be an adventure, taking collectors to antique shops, coin dealers, and even online auctions. The value of a coin is determined by several factors, including its rarity, condition, and historical significance. Rare coins, especially those in pristine condition, can be worth a significant amount of money. For example, a 1930 Australian penny with a rare die error sold for over $40,000 in 2019. This particular coin had a doubled image of King George V, making it highly sought after by collectors. While finding a coin worth thousands of dollars is uncommon, it's always possible to discover hidden treasures in your change or at a local flea market. The joy of collecting comes from the pursuit of knowledge, the thrill of discovery, and the stories behind each coin. Once you've started building your coin collection, it's essential to take proper care of your treasures. Coins are delicate objects that can be easily damaged if not handled and stored correctly. Always handle your coins with clean hands or wear cotton gloves to prevent oils and dirt from transferring to the coin's surface. Avoid cleaning your coins with harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, as this can damage the coin's finish. Store your coins in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and humidity. Coin albums, capsules, and flips are all popular storage options that can help protect your coins from damage. Displaying your collection can be a rewarding way to share your passion with others. Coin display cases and frames allow you to showcase your coins while keeping them protected. Numismatics is more than just a hobby. It's a journey through time, a window into the past. Coins are tangible links to history, connecting us to the people, events, and cultures that shaped our world. By studying coins, we gain a deeper understanding of past civilizations, their economies, their art, and their beliefs. We learn about their trade routes, their political systems, and the everyday lives of their people. Coin collecting is a hobby that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. It's an educational and rewarding pastime that can spark a lifelong passion for history, art, and culture. So, whether you're fascinated by ancient civilizations, intrigued by historical events, or simply appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of coins, Numismatics offers something for everyone. As we've explored the fascinating world of Australian numismatic coins, we've uncovered captivating stories, intricate designs, and the meticulous craftsmanship behind each piece. From the humble 1-cent coin to rare commemorative editions, Australian coins offer a glimpse into the nation's rich history, diverse culture, and natural wonders. Whether you're drawn to the thrill of the hunt for rare and valuable coins, or simply appreciate the artistry and history embedded in these small treasures, coin collecting offers a rewarding and enriching experience. So why not embark on your own numismatic adventure? Start by examining the change in your pocket, visit a local coin dealer, or explore online resources to discover the fascinating world of Australian coins. Who knows what treasures you might uncover?